Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has been away from home for past 2 weeks, yeah. So finally, I can come back home to cook for my family. Um, Now I have a beautiful siakap fish. This is a wild barramundi siakap fish tail. Yeah, it's a one whole fish tail. I tried to butterfly cut it a little bit. Oh, today there's a bit of flies. Never mind. So after I butterfly cut it, I make few slits on the fish body, and then I also sprinkle a little bit of fine salt on top. Then I'm going to make a sauce. I haven't decided whether I want to braise the fish together with the sauce later or I pour the sauce over. I'll decide later. Very quickly, I have some ginger slice, some garlic, some fresh coriander roots, and some taoju, fermented soybean. Now I'm going to fry the fish first. Make sure before you fry, use a kitchen towel to wipe it dry so it doesn't splatter later. Yeah. Next thing, heat up some oil until smoking point. Then we put the fish. After you put in the fish, let it stay for at least about 2 minutes before you flip it over. Keep it on medium-high heat at least. After about 2 minutes frying, we can try to flip it over. So we'll give it another side, another about 2-3 minutes. Basically, this fish is very, very thick. Yeah, I think this fish is probably 4.5 kg, so it's very thick. So this is after another about 2-3 minutes. Let me flip it over one more round. Right. Beautifully fried. Right, I'm just going to give this side another about 30-40 seconds, then it is done. Right, I prepare a kitchen towel at the side. Let me slowly move this over. I've decided to just make the very simple sauce to go with it. Let me put in some of the oil. Papa got splattered by oil just now. Very painful. Put in all the fresh ingredients just now. Saute for about 1 minute before we continue. This is after about 1 minute plus. Next thing, I'm going to add in some filtered water. Give it a little bit of light soy sauce, premium light soy sauce. A bit of Shaoxing wine, optional. A bit of dark soy sauce for the color. You can put some oyster sauce if you like. Give it a bit of fine salt. Make sure everything is melted. Let me starch it a little bit, maybe. Off the fire. Give it a few push. I don't like it to be too starchy. Okay, good enough. Then I'm going to pour this over onto the fish. Too long never cook, very clumsy in the kitchen. Papa just brought one plate. All right, never mind. Just put this sauce all over the fish. And our beautiful braised fish is done. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.